Hello and welcome to architecturaldesigns.com. Today I'm going to take you through the features that we've added to our favorites tool to allow you to organize and share any favorited plans that you have in a much more organized fashion. So to get started, make sure that you're logged in. This little person icon here shows that I'm logged in, but if not, it would show a key. If you click that, enter your email address, we'll send you a magic link that'll automatically log you in without a password. If you have a password, there's an option to enter that, but the magic link is super easy. To get started, let's look at the plans that I've favorited so far. If you've had any favorited plans from the past, then they'll end up in all favorites here. I've created a couple of new collections to organize my plans, and let's go in. You click one of the icons here. That'll pull up all of my favorited plans so far. And let's say that I want to organize some of these ranch homes into a ranch home plan collection. There's two ways you can do it. The first way you can do it is by clicking on this heart icon in the top right corner. I can, you see, I don't have a ranch home collection, so I'm going to create one right here. Click on Create Collection. That'll show up right here. I don't want this one of my country favorites, so I'm going to remove it from there. And that's it. So you can do it one at a time like that, or when you're saving them from a plan. Let's click in on this. If I click on the favorite here, I'm going to get that same option where I can create a new collection or I can add it to one of these. If I don't add it to any collection, then it's just going to end up in that all favorites folder. So let's keep it in my ranch home plans. And you know what? I'm actually not liking this plan. So if I unfavorite it, it'll actually remove it from all of our collections that we've got. So if I had this in 3 or 4 here, it would remove it from all of those. Unfavorite, now it's gone. But I can refavorite again with that heart, add it to the ranch, and boom. It's going to be in my all favorites as well as in this new collection, the ranch home plans. The second way you can organize your favorites, especially if you only have this all favorites collection here and you're trying to organize it into multiple different collection folders, click into my all favorites, and this top left button here, if I click that and select multiple plans, this roll up shows that I've got 6 plans selected, and I can add them to collections just as we did before, create a new collection, or I can unfavorite those and remove them from all collections. Another great feature of our favorites tool is the ability to share your collections with friends, family, blog followers, even Pinterest or Instagram and Facebook. If you go into your favorites list by clicking that heart at the top of your screen and you find a collection that you'd like to share, click on the private key. It's set private automatically. I've got a couple public lists here, but you click on that private, click public, and it'll create a URL that you can share with friends. Copy that link, bring it in an email, put it on Instagram, Facebook, anywhere that you want to share this list with friends, family, and get their input on your home plan choice. Hope that's helpful, and definitely let us know if you'd like some more tips and tutorials on how to use some of the more advanced features on our website. And as always, hope you have a great day and take care.